Do you really know what's inside you? Test your anatomy IQ now. First one, let's go. What is the name of the longest nerve in the human body? Sciatic. What is the name of the fluid that lubricates joints in the body? Synovial fluid. Which gland is often referred to as the master gland of the body? Pituitary gland. What is the outermost layer of the skin called? Epidermis. Which of the following is not a type of blood vessel? Tendon. Which organ is responsible for producing red blood cells? Bone marrow. What is the name of the smallest bones in the human body? Stapes. Which of the following is not a part of the central nervous system? Peripheral nerves. What is the name of the muscle that separates the chest from the abdomen? Diaphragm. What is the medical term for the shoulder blade? Scapula. Don't forget to tell me your scores in the comment. Follow, like, and tag your friends to see if they can beat your score.